What we've got here is a 19-something Argo. No idea what the year is. Guess it's a Max 2. Need to get it running. It has a fuel issue. Need to put a plow on it, and we need to put tracks on it. Also take care of some body hardware that's missing.
And it's got a canvas cover.
And it's got a canvas cover to go on it.
There's no body hardware that hold these on. There's wing nuts that go around the body. The body's not even set on right. But we're gonna lift it up. There's a bar under here that lifts up and just kind of holds it in the air so you can get a better look at the engine. Right now the battery's dead, so we're gonna put it on charge. Wait for it to charge up. Put the battery charger on it so I can. It was dead when I got it here, so we're gonna let it charge for a little while and then try to run it. He said it ran, but it had a small fuel smell, so I'm not really sure what's going on. So I'd like to hear it run before I do anything else. We're gonna give it a test run, see here. Probably should let it charge a little longer or give it a little snooter, one of the two. Let's think about it. Give her some snoot. There ain't no fuel in. There ain't no fuel on that fuel line right there, bud. Let's pull that fuel line apart. That fuel line looks empty to me. Fuel filter. Yeah. Well, there ain't no gas coming out of the tank with the fuel line on it. This is crushed, so that's why it's not getting fuel. You got something to slice this? Takes to the side. This fuel line's crushed. It's like dead. Just they die. You got a pair of pliers that I could put the clamp on correctly, but it's not coming out of the tank. Do you have a small piece of hose that I could blow into the tank? See if there's dirt in the entrance? Oh, sick. That's perfect for me. I'd love to do this. Oh, that's too big. Not a tight enough seal. Sometimes when you're taking these off, you just give them a little twist, they pop right off. Other times you rip them in half. Never seen it happen before. Let's shove that on there.
See the 300 4-tracks video for that.
Oh my God, I almost just used every bit of lung power I had. That is not flowing. No, sir.
Try sucking on it.
Nope. Either. You got an air gun? A little more power? Maybe there's just some sediment. There's a fitting that screws into the tank itself, a 90.
Whoa.
Now I can blow air through it just fine.
Man, dude, she's gonna run now. You got any fresh gas?
No, Jared's got his gas can. It still doesn't just flow out of it, though. I'm wondering if we should take it out.
The tank itself?
The fitting into the tank. Because it's just dripping. That gas smells absolutely amazing. Just so we're clear. I don't know if anybody else, is smelling it around here, but it smells like turpentine and honestly slightly offensive. So, are you gonna push this pan while I release this, or you want me to just thank you. I think it's not enough. I don't know what to do here. What do you want me to do?
Can we get a hose in it?
You know what we could have done is just picked up the front end like 2 inches, and we wouldn't be fighting this. See if you can tilt it towards me. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, that was a bad idea. I'm still catching most of it, just so we're clear. I don't actually think it's the elbow that's plugged. I think it's the actual tank. A lot is coming out. I guess. I don't know. I can't see through it. Could have a bunch of shit. Set it down. Oh, fuck. I almost didn't get my pinky back. Oh, no, that's plugged. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's completely plugged. I need a pick. Something pointy, maybe? Pick, like? Psst. I'm sure, considering the way this gas line looks, that the carburetor is going to be perfectly fine. So, I'm going to say we're going to clean the carb on this too. Almost certain of it, actually. Do you have thread tape? Oh, she's a free flower now. I'm going to blast this air through it again, though, just for funsies. Oh, yeah. I can see through it now. Much gooder.
Put that tape on the right way, so when you screw it on there, and like fucking.
It comes off?
It comes off.
Yeah, that's the way I like to do it, because around here we do it right, because we do it twice. Oh, wow, that is tight like a tiger. Where did I put my wrench? Conveniently on the floor where they go. I mean, I can blow through that line now. So, a pair of pliers. Get that clamp back on. We'll see how that works out. Gotta get some fresh gas for it. Can you lift the front of this up again?
What you doing?
I want to pull this pan out of here, but I had to maneuver it because of the sticks. So I'm hoping that. Alright, you're good. Ooh, thank God you did still have it, because I'd have dropped that on the ground. That'd have been a catastrophe. Almost had it low enough. Whoa. I was gonna say blow back in it. Always blow it back first. That's a mouthful of gasoline right there. Does it taste like good gas though? We could make some of that 2-stroke with it. It really wouldn't make a difference. I'll just smoke a little. Is it really?
One thing we learned today, it's Bolton's better at sucking than me.
Yeah, right.
That is definitely a fact. It's gonna start this time though.
Get fuel in the carburetor this time.
Yeah, at least. Open it up. That's under. Did you snort it? Or is that under its own power?
That's under its own power.
Well, yeah, it just started. I was just seeing if it would take a throttle at all. But it started. That fuel line was plugged up coming out of the tank. Wasn't getting fuel at all at this point. Super stoked that it starts.
pull it right here.
I can see that. The choke still pulled? Oh, yeah, the choke's still pulled. Give it another couple ropes.
No. No, let it start.
Alright. What's that?
You want something to cut that against?
No, I got it. My finger worked just fine. I'm gonna need an ambulance. I just sliced the entire tip of it off.